Hey guys, so I'm here and I have my HDTV wireless transmitter and receiver. And so I'm gonna show you guys how this works here. So I'm gonna pull it out the box here. And so it comes with both sides of it. So there's one that will plug into the device that you want to send there, and then one that will plug into whatever into the device here to capture it, okay? So how it works is I've got cables here. So the first one I want to do is I want to plug into my computer. So I'm going to show you guys all the cables it comes with. It comes with this one, which is HDMI to DisplayPort. This one's HDMI to micro display maybe? I'm not exactly sure which one that is. But those, and then it comes with the two devices themselves here, and then obviously the two wires to power them. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to plug one of them into the HDMI to Lightning, and then I'm going to plug this one into my computer here, okay? And from here, now I have my Lightning set up here, while I can plug my second one over here into the TV itself, okay? So I'm going to plug this one into the TV here, into HDMI 1, and then plug it in with a USB here so that I can get power. And so I see it is on. It has the red lights on it. And so now I need to plug this one in as well to make sure it gets power. So they both need to be plugged in with these. Okay, so I'm now plugging in. So I have my computer here with its one here, and I'm plugging it in over here. Hey guys, so I'm back and I was able to get my computer to get up on here. So I'll just type something like, as you see, hello. But I was able to get it to work. I just had to click a few of the buttons. I had to click one and click the other and get them to kind of sync. And also my computer that I was using just wasn't able to do it, so I had to use a different computer for it. But once I just plugged it in, it was easy enough and just popped up. So there we go. I like it and it's doing what it needs to, so thumbs up.